Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa. So today I'm going to make a casserole out of rotisserie chicken. And I buy the rotisserie on the bone because it is a lot cheaper to just buy it already cooked and shred it yourself than it is to buy a raw chicken and then have to spend the time roasting it. Significant difference. But let's get into this. Hello, so today we are making like a rotisserie chicken thing. So we're gonna dump a box of noodles in here, bow tie, and then the recipe I saw used buffalo sauce, but we're gonna use this because I don't like buffalo sauce. We're gonna use the whole bottle, and then we are going to add some milk to this bottle and shake it all up, get all the goodies out of it. And the bottle's about half full. And then we're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth, and we're just going to measure with our heart. That looks about right. And we are going to, try not to make that big of a mess. Get this all mixed in. That looks good. All right. We're going to throw our rotisserie chicken that we shredded on top. That might be too much chicken, but can you really have too much chicken? And then some ranch. And then it's a half a packet of the ranch seasoning, but I don't have packets, I have this, so we'll just measure with our heart again. We'll put that stuff around there. We want to keep the noodles submerged in the liquid. And then we are going to add a brick of cream cheese. That was supposed to go in the middle, but I don't think it matters that much. And then we're going to cover it with tin foil, which I seem to be out of. So, I gotta go get tin foil from the basement. Alright, so, wrapping it in tin foil. And then we're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Just like that. Okay, so 30 minutes. We took it out of the oven. We're going to mix all this up. Make sure all the noodles are nice and cooked. They're looking good. Pan is hot. And then it wants you to use, the recipe I saw, blue cheese, mozzarella cheese. We do not have blue cheese. And I'm the only one in the house that eats blue cheese, so I'm not going to make a whole casserole of blue cheese on it. But we're going to flatten this out. And also, I have mozzarella, but it's frozen and not shredded. So, we are just going to use a different kind of cheese. We're just going to use Colby Jack and Italian seasoning. probably should have added the Italian seasoning before I mixed it, but we'll do it this way. Okay, and then we're going to top it with some Colby Jack. It's a little stuck together. I shredded my own, then I put it in the fridge. Shred little bits at a time so the kids can make whatever they want. If they want leftovers or something with cheese added to it, or sometimes they just make chips and cheese as snacks. Or if I don't feel like cooking dinner, they can make themselves some quick tacos. That way we've always got some cheese shredded for them. But it's been in there like 2 or 3 days shredded, so it's nice and chunked together. Oh well. And then we are going to leave it uncovered and pop it back in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes till the cheese is nice and melted on it. That looks good. All right, put her in the oven and show you what she looks like when she comes out. All right, so this is the final result. It's all nice and bubbly when it comes out, and we'll be right back because I'm going to let it sit for a little bit before I get into it. All right, dinner is ready. It's cooled down. Well, it's not cold, but it's cooled down enough that I shouldn't burn myself on it. And I'm going to use styrofoam tonight because no one else is here yet. So they can just eat it later because I'm hungry. So I'm going to eat now. And this is what it looks like. Nice and creamy. Now, I've made this before. I may have made a video of me making this before. I don't remember. But this is really good. We like this. We only make it like a few times a year just because I don't keep a lot of the sauce on hand, the garlic parmesan sauce. So it's something that I have to go buy, and I don't keep rotisserie chicken on hand or in the freezer. We don't really do a whole lot of chicken other than eggs. But if you like what you're watching, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, all the good stuff, and have a good rest of your day.